this experience was not one of my best experiences. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's early afternoon, but how are you guys doing? Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day. My morning has been super busy. I woke up this morning, I got my workout in, which is super good, felt accomplished. So on that note, I'm gonna ask you, did you guys work out this morning? Get it done, do something. You don't have to run, you don't have to skip, you don't have to jump, just do something. Every little bit counts. All you have to do is start, and then everything else will fall in and the results will come. Trust the process, do what you gotta do, stay focused, eat good, eat right, because if you work out and expect fast results and you're still eating terribly, the result will come, but it's just that it's going to take longer than you expect. So eat right, work out, drink a lot of water, and get your workout in. It's a beautiful day outside right now. I'm just gonna show you guys outside what it's looking like, how amazing it looks. I don't need any sweater today. It's just a little bit chilly, but check out how beautiful the sun is right now, and it just makes everywhere feel super good. The sun is shining, the weather feel amazing. Tyler was even outside playing all morning in his tent on the balcony, so that just goes to show how beautiful outside is. Baby's off to work as usual. Tyler is down for a nap. I got so much done this morning, which is super good. My morning has been productive, so make today a good one. And on that note, I'm going to give you the Jamaican expression. The Jamaican expression for today is watagwan. That's one of the most common ones of all the Jamaican expressions. Watagwan means how are you doing? So watagwan, that's the Jamaican expression for today. So if you're in Jamaica or you're around Jamaicans and somebody says to you, hey, watagwan, they're asking you, how are you doing? So you get it? Make sure you get it. And of course, when baby gets home later, he'll put his spin on things. But it's a beautiful day. If it's beautiful where you are, make use of the day. The weather is starting to feel really good, and the cold is leaving us. So make today a good one. Stay positive, stay motivated, do what you gotta do, enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll catch you guys later. You guys, have you ever not know what to eat? It's crazy how you're just home sometime and you're just in the kitchen walking around, don't know what to eat. I realized that it's my lunchtime because I was wondering, why am I feeling so hungry? Look at the clock, realized it's my lunchtime, and I went in the kitchen. Why can't I talk today? Went into the kitchen and wondering, what am I gonna eat? What am I gonna prepare for dinner? Prepare for lunch. Normally I would have cooked chicken and let it last me for a few days, but I decided to ease off the chicken preparation for this week, so I didn't really take out anything to make. This is why meal prepping to some people is very important, because you can just go in and pull things and just warm, but sometimes you're so tired of all these healthy things that you're eating. Sometimes eating healthy can be really hard and annoying, but it's just a mind thing. You have to do what you gotta do. And I was in the kitchen wondering, okay, what am I gonna have for lunch? So I went into the fridge and I had some leftover chicken that I stir fried last night. Why can't I talk today, for the love of me? That I stir fried last night. So I just throw it into a pan on the stove, throw some corns in it, throw 2 eggs in it, and that's lunch. Okay, so it smells really good, and I'm about to go in before Tyler wake up, so it's about to go down. What are you having for lunch today? Beautiful day. I decided to take Tyler to the park, but boy, can I tell you, schools here is on holiday and the public park is full with kids, and it's not one of, even though I want Tyler to interact with kids, this experience was not one of my best experience coming to the park, because the older kids, they don't really look out for the younger ones like Tyler, and he's one of the younger ones here. They're just sliding down the slides. They're not paying attention to where they're sliding, or they're doing it deliberately. They see him on the slide and they're just sliding still and hurting him. I don't know, maybe they play rough, or it's the norm for them to play like that, but it's so scary. It is kind of let me think about when Tyler will start school, what it's gonna be like. Because if it's gonna be like this, Mama will be worried. Take your time, baby. Take your time. Tyler, slow down. Slow down, okay? Slow down, baby. Yes, my love, you have to take your time or else you're gonna get hurt. You guys, we just got back from the park and I really have to share my experience with you guys, because I guess kids will be kids, but that was pretty interesting and scary at the same time. I couldn't really vlog because I had to keep my eyes on Tyler, because for one, Tyler is full of so much energy and he's so active, so he's all over the place. And two, the other kids, things that I've noticed is that they don't share what they have. For example, when I carry him, I only carry one of his big truck that he can sit on and push himself around. I didn't really carry a ball for him. So he wanted to play with another kid ball, and the kid just come and take the ball and just grab it away. But I guess kids will be kids. That's how kids are. There's another baby who came and wanted to play with Tyler truck, and Tyler just came off his truck and give it to the other kid. So I'm like, okay. He was on the slide, and the other older kids were coming down on the slide before he even reached to the end of the slide. So by the time the bigger kids reach the end of the slide, they're hitting Tyler, and oh my god, it's scary. But I have to accept the fact that kids will be kids, and one day he's gonna have to go off to school, and he maybe end up be the same like those kids that I just saw. And come for it. It's a banana. Listen, you guys, my kid is a monkey. Tyler is a monkey. I think I need to invest in some banana trees, because this little boy, if I allow him, Tyler will eat 2 bananas every single day. I don't know if that's a good thing, but yesterday he had 2 bananas all by himself. Now he's on the verge of finishing one, and I'm sure he's gonna ask for another after this. But I won't give him another one, because he have his bottle in 30 minutes, and I don't want him to eat too much banana. I don't think too much banana is good. Well, I don't really know if banana is good or bad or whatnot, but he loves banana. But I really took him to the public park because I wanted him to be around other kids and get used to it, even though he seems to be warming up more around other kids in comparison to the last time when I took him around other kids. He was a bit shy and playing by himself, but this time he wants to play with them, but they're not playing with him. So I don't know if he is because he's a bit younger, but when he goes to the kids, like, for them to play with him, they're not playing with him, so he just turned back and come and stay in my arms. It kind of makes him, I don't know if it makes him sad or whatever, but oh well, I guess is all a part of the process, and I just have to deal with that. Yes, honey, yes. Yes. He's so funny. You're so cute. I can't even stand it. As soon as Tyler and I get home, the sun went away and it got really cloudy outside. So it got a little bit chilly. It's looking really crazy outside, like it's about to rain right now. But on that note, it's dinner time, and today for dinner I am making some mashed Irish potatoes for Tyler. I'm blanching some carrot and green bean for Babe, and in here I am cooking some chicken liver, which Babe and I is gonna have, but I'm going to be a rabbit as usual, and I'm going to have that with lettuce. So that's what's up for dinner for tonight. That's it for dinner today, you guys. This is Babe's own. I found some corn to make it look a little bit more appetizing. So this is Babe dinner. That's Tyler's. He's just having mashed potato tonight, and that's mine. So dinner is ready and everybody is happy.
What a mess.
Who is that? Who is that? You guys, I'm super tired. Baby's home.
Hi guys. Horman is usually playing with Tyler. This boy is so smart. You just give him one and you just put it right where it should be. Number 2. Yeah, 4 different boards here. You just give him one randomly from the 4 different boards. You just know where to go. So, look where to go, which board of the 4 it is. You find the board, you find the place, and right there.
These days I'm just feeling so nauseous. I'm so nauseous. It's like anything I eat, I just get so nauseous. It's ridiculous. I know I'm not pregnant. I'm not pregnant for sure, so don't worry about me being pregnant. So you guys, I'm just going to end the vlog here. Oh babe, the Jamaican expression for today is Watagwan.
Watagwan. We never say Watagwan. I think we have said it.
We did?
Yeah, I think you said it. So I think you also should say the answer. Watagwan is like, I think we said it in the past. So it's like a good review. It's a good review, but I think we said it.
You sure we did?
Well, maybe I'm not sure, but for me we did it. Watagwan. Wagwan. Watagwan. You remember I asked you after I do you say Watagwan or Wagwan? Watagwan.
Okay, you guys. So there you have baby spin and Watagwan. He said maybe we did this one already, but if that's the case, it's a good review. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to our channel, and continue to help us growing as we are. And we love you guys. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys in our next vlog. Hey,
Bye guys.
Tyler, say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.